Hey everybody, today Lisa and I, we're on the Celebrity Reflection. We are on deck 7. This is mostly passenger cabins. There was a little bit of public space, but we saw that in another video. This one, we're going to show you where your cabin is in relationship to the stairs and elevators that we're standing in right now. We are in the aft of the ship. We're going to superimpose a deck plan up there. Now, if you've never seen us do one of these videos, I cannot show you every cabin door and every cabin number or you would get seasick. So I'm going to call out the numbers and point at them with my finger. And do us a huge favor. Let us know when you are sailing on the amazing Celebrity Reflection in the comments below. So we're ready to go. Let's do it. This is 284, 282, mush, 280, 278, 276, 274, 272, 270, 268 and 66. And this is access to the hideaway and or stairs and elevators. Crew door, 264, 262, 260 and 58, 256, 54, 52 and 50, 248 and 46, 244 and 42, 240 and 38, 236 and 34, 232 and 30, crew door, 228 and 26, 224, 222, crew door, 220 and 18, 216 and 14, 212 and 10, 208 and 06, 204, 202, 200, 198. And here we are at the forward elevators and stairs. So these couple cabins might catch a little extra noise. Crew door, 196 and 94, 192, 90. Okay, so we have some inside cabins. And I believe we can also get to them down there. So we're going to go all the way down there and then circle back around to get these cabins. All right. There's 144, 142, 140 and 38, 136, 34, 132, 30, 138, 138, 128. And 26. Sorry, buddy. 124 and 22. 120, 18. 116 and 14. 112 and 10. 108, 106. 104. 102. 101. Okay, and here is access to those inside staterooms. So we have 188, 186, 184 and 82, crew door, 180 ramp, 178, 176 and 72,
174.
Oh, I missed 174 on the other side. Oh, this is tough. I knew it looked interesting, but, right? 170, 168, 166, 64, 160, 162, 158, 156, 154, 152, 148, crew door, 150. And last but not least, 146. All right, let's get to the back, or in this case, the front. The back's back there. All right, this is right where we left off with the inside cabins. That's what I call them. Okay, crew door, 103, 105, 107, 109, 111, crew door, 115 and 17, 119 and 21, 123 and 25, 127 and 29, 131 and 33, and 35 and 37, 139, 141, 143, 145, crew doors, 147 and 49, 151, 53, access to the forward elevators and stairs. 155, 57, 159 and 61, 163 and 65, 167 and 69, 171 and 73, crew door, 175 and 77, 179, 81, crew door, 183 and 85, 187, 89, crew door, 191 and 93, 195 and 97, 199 and 201, 203 and 05, crew door, 207, 209, 211, 215, 217 and 219, 221, 223, and this side of the hideaway. You can also access the stairs and elevators if you want. They're up here, but we'll show you. 225 and 227, 229 and 31, 233 and 35, 237, 39, the main access to the aft stairs and elevators on the side of the ship. Crew door, 241 and 43, 245, 47, 249 and 51, crew door, 253 and 55, 257 and 59, 261 and 63, crew door, 265 and 67, crew door, 269 and 71, 273 and 75, 277 and 79, 281 and 83, 285 and 87, crew door, 289 and 91, 293 and 95, 297, 99, ramp up, crew door, 301, 303, 305 and 07, crew door, 315, 317, crew door, 319, even side, 366, again, crew door, 364, 362, Lisa, just a little change of color on a ramp. 356, 354, that's a ramp right there though. 352 and 50, ramp, crew door. 348 and 46, 344 and 42, 340, 38, crew door. 336 and 34, 332 and 330, 328 and 26, 324 and 22, 320 and 18, crew door, 316 and 14, 312 and 10, 308, almost caught me, 306, 304, 302, 300, 298, crew door, 290, 296, and 294. 292, 290. 288, 286. And this is exactly right where we started. So let us know what you think about deck 7. And again, we'll show you the hideaway in a different video. Let us know in the comments below that you saw your cabin in the comments below. And until we see you on another deck or another ship, be safe. Ciao.